Hello dear viewers, welcome back to Medchem Companion channel. Today in this session we will compare the acidity of two proton which is present within the acetaldehyde. So here is the structure of your acetaldehyde and we want to compare that among these two proton, the proton which is directly attached to the carbonyl carbon and the second proton which is present onto the alpha carbon in acetaldehyde. Within these two proton, which one have highest acidic nature, or we can say among these two proton, which proton easily react with the base. We need to compare the acidity of both these proton. Now, to answer this question, let's go deep into the mechanism. First, if this proton has to be reacted with the base, because if we consider this proton as highly acidic, then it can readily react with the base. So here is your base or nucleophile hydroxide ion. So if it react with this hydroxide ion, then this hydroxide ion forms a water molecule which released out, and the electron of these both carbon hydrogen bonds resides onto the alpha carbon in this manner. Now what happened, as this negative charge developed over this carbon, this charge tried to stabilize this negative ion. So what happened, this charge migrate to this bond, carbon-carbon bond, and simultaneously this electron migrates to the oxygen. So in this manner, the negative charge delocalized and redeveloped onto the oxygen atom. So in this way, this negative charge delocalized between this carbon and oxygen. So here we can say that the developed negative charge is stabilized by what? Resonance or delocalization. So here again you can see same mechanism. This negative charge again goes to this oxygen carbon bond, in between oxygen carbon bond, and here again simultaneously this double bond electron shift to the carbon. So again this species will develop. So the species which developed here gets stabilized by resonance. Now come to this proton. If this proton is reacted with a nucleophile or a base, suppose if we consider this is a highly acidic proton, then it will react with this base and forms what? Water molecule. The electron of this carbon hydrogen bond shifted to the carbon, so a carbanion ion will generate over here. But can you imagine, can carbon have ability, or here carbon have ability to stabilize this negative charge? No, not at all. Why? Because carbon is not highly electronegative to retain electrons or negative charge on its atom alone. Second one, this electron will not migrate to this in between carbon oxygen bond, because the octet of oxygen is exceeding, and if octet of oxygen is exceeding, then this species is highly unstable. This species cannot exist, or this species cannot be formed at all. So the negative charge present over here makes whole this molecule highly unstable. So due to this instability, if any nucleophile try to take out this proton, this carbon does not allow it to do so. That's why this proton will become very less acidic. And moreover, if we compare the pKa of both this proton, then you will find that the pKa of this alpha hydrogen is near about 70 to 20, but pKa of this carbonyl hydrogen resides around 50. So you can imagine how easily this proton can be taken out by base as compared to this. That's why in aldehyde the alpha hydrogen is highly acidic as compared to carbonyl hydrogen. I hope you understand the concept. Thank you.